Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video we have the 141st flyover of the Lucid factory in Casa Grande, Arizona. This video is going to be quite short. We had a lot of bad weather today. We tried to get in there and we probably got about a 4-minute flight, and we were able to hover in one spot. We could not fly more than 15 miles per hour because of the wind. The wind was literally preventing us from doing that, even if we were on our sports setting. So we really couldn't get a look at much of anything. So we went up, we took a couple of peeks at different things, and then we went back down because the weather was just not there for us today. So we still got you something. One of the things that you'll notice is that they are still actively loading cars into the employee parking lot area, and that's pretty much almost all we got. We were able to just look around from the northeast corner, and that was about it. So you guys enjoy what we got, because that's all it is. And we will come back with another flyover in a few days. Not sure when. It's going to be scheduling permitting. So hope you enjoyed the little bit that we got here for you. And if you did, hit that like button. And we will be back next week, or maybe this weekend if something magical happens and we have a hole in our schedule. So we'll do the best that we can. So if you want to see more content like this in the future, go and hit that like button, and you can follow us on Twitter at Bear's Workshop. And I want to say thanks to all of our patrons. We appreciate your support. Now, let's go fly briefly.